Okay, so I changed the blade, and let me explain why I changed the blade. And see this? This is the old blade, and this is a new blade. And I found that when I pick up a brand new property like this, it makes it extremely easier to use a brand new blade, and it'll cut like butter, man. I mean, it'll cut real nice, fast. Not too much of a hassle. All right. now you guys seen Quest blow it, right? He's going to mow it, and I'll come back with the trimmer and just clean it up, make it look real nice. But you guys seen this, guys. Now when I was over there by the garage, you never want to face the blade rotating the same way with the garage, because what happens is all the mud is going to splatter on the house, and you want to minimize the mud on the house. So you turn your way back and you bring it backwards. This way the dust and the mud is flinging towards you and not the wall of the people's garage. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what we did. Now the white spots right there, that's POA. Okay, that's annual POA. So it's starting to die out because it's starting to get real hot. But if he keeps watering his lawn, and you know, it'll look real nice. This is only the first cut, so you know, the more we come out, the better it looks. Now I would tell you guys, if somebody come out and they have their edges need to be done for the first time, you always charge accordingly. Don't charge assuming that eventually they're going to take over, you know, they're going to give you the property because you're just doing it for free and you're not going to charge for what you're doing. You have to ensure that you are charging for that edging, okay? 10-15 bucks additional to do the edging. The first time is an initial charge. That's the way it works. So yeah. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Pop smoke. Oh, by the way, a quick update on my irrigation issue. The gentleman, the subcontractor, gave me a call, and basically he stated that, you know, he had something else that was going on in somewhere far away and he couldn't get to it. And my situation was, you know, at least give me the heads up, call the client, call me, let me know that you couldn't make it. He apologized. The client understands, and he is supposed to fix it today. So yeah, that's what happened, and we will try again one more time. Again, I'm not a baseball. This is not a baseball game. There ain't no 3 strikes. It's 2. Usually it's only 1, but we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. And he's gonna go ahead and fix the installation for him today, and life goes on. Now, I understand that some of you guys stated that I could fix it myself. Guys, keep in mind, I have a business plan. I'm not like everybody else that go out there and just mow grass and don't have a set plan. We have a business plan where we have subcontractors for everything we do. All I do is maintenance. I don't install, I don't cut down. All I do is make what you already have pretty, and I have subcontractors. My schedule is extremely full, and I'm not gonna go out to the Home Depot to buy a piece of something to fix anything when I have subcontractors. If one subcontractor don't work, guess what? I'll just find another one. That's the way I see things. I know some of you guys will say, you know, it's a quick, easy fix, and I understand that 110%, but you also gotta understand my point of view. I have a business plan, and yes, business plans are meant to be deviated here and there, but this has made me extremely successful at what I do, and this is the way I run my business. Hope you guys understand, okay? Keep in mind, guys, there's 1,000 ways to cut grass. No one way is the right way, so therefore, be open to other people's way of doing things, and you know, some things you learn from, some things you say, oh, that's garbage, I'm not gonna do it, and then just don't do it, right? ¿Cómo estás? No te he visto desde... Estoy filmando un video bien... No, no, no importa, no importa. No te he visto desde el año pasado.
Sí, el año pasado ya...
Ok. Dile a la gente cómo te llamas.
Hola.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Take it easy, man. Pop Smoke. Peace.